What if I told you the single most powerful anti-aging treatment known to science isn't a pill, it's not a fancy cream, and it's definitely not some expensive supplement? What if I told you it's something you can do right now, wherever you are, for free, and it only takes 60 seconds? Sounds a little too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, stick with me for the next few minutes, because this 1-minute habit might just be the closest thing we have to literally slowing down time itself. For decades, we've been obsessed with finding the fountain of youth. Scientists have poured billions of dollars into research, testing thousands of complex theories, all in the quest for longevity. We've looked at genetics, diets, and extreme lifestyles. Yet one answer keeps resurfacing, something so simple and so fundamental that most of us completely overlook it. It's controlled breathing. Specifically, 1 minute of slow, deep, diaphragmatic breathing. You might be thinking, breathing, that's it? But the science behind this is absolutely fascinating and incredibly powerful. So, let's break down why this tiny, 1-minute exercise works like magic for your body. When you consciously shift your breathing pattern to slow, deep breaths, aiming for about a 6-second inhale and a 6-second exhale, you trigger a profound biological shift. Your body transitions from its default high alert, fight or flight mode, also known as the sympathetic nervous system, into a state of rest and repair, governed by the parasympathetic nervous system. This switch is the key. The moment this happens, your body immediately begins to dial down the production of stress hormones, like cortisol. Now, cortisol isn't all bad, but chronically high levels are directly linked to inflammation, cellular damage, and accelerated aging. It literally makes you age faster from the inside out. But that's just the beginning. As you breathe deeply, your blood pressure naturally starts to drop. Your heart rate slows down and becomes more regular and coherent, a state known as heart rate variability, which is a prime indicator of a healthy, resilient nervous system. At the same time, this slow, rhythmic breathing ensures your blood is more efficiently saturated with oxygen. This oxygen-rich blood then travels to every single cell in your body, from your brain to your toes, nourishing them and helping them function optimally. Your entire nervous system begins to recalibrate and heal itself in real time. Scientists have a name for this process: vagal activation. It's the stimulation of the vagus nerve, the longest cranial nerve in your body, which acts as the master control switch for your relaxation response. You don't need to remember the technical term, though. You'll just feel it. You'll feel it as a sense of calm washing over your mind, a lightness in your chest, and a feeling that the frantic pace of life has, just for a moment, slowed down. Imagine doing this just once a day. It's like hitting a biological reset button for your body's internal clock. It's a daily practice of telling your body, it's safe, you can relax, you can repair. Over time, this daily minute of calm compounds. It helps regulate your immune system, improves your sleep quality, and even enhances your cognitive function and focus. It's not about adding years to your life, but about adding life to your years, making you feel more vibrant, more centered, and more in control. So, how do you actually do it? It's beautifully simple. You can do this sitting in your office chair, in your car before you head home, or right before you go to sleep. First, find a comfortable position, preferably sitting up straight to allow your diaphragm to move freely. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Now, let's try it. Breathe in slowly and deeply through your nose, counting to 6. Feel your belly expand outwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now hold that breath gently for just 2 seconds. 1, 2, and then exhale slowly and completely through your mouth or nose, again for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's one cycle. Just repeat this for 1 minute. That's it. There's no equipment needed, no gym membership, no excuses. It's the most accessible wellness tool you will ever find. So the next time life feels overwhelming, or you catch yourself in the mirror worrying about the lines that stress is etching onto your face, I want you to remember this. You are only 1 minute, and just a few deep breaths, away from hitting pause on wewnętrzny chaos and starting the process of reversing the clock. Don't just take my word for it. Try it for yourself. Try it today. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Your future self, the one who feels calmer, healthier, and more youthful will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips on living a better, healthier life. See you in the next video.